Y'all can't even really see me, but y'all, it is 7:15 right now. Today is Wednesday, and I have to be out of here by 7:40 so that I can make it to my final exam for pre-calculus. Yeah, I'm keeping my sleep shirt on because once I'm done with that test, I'm coming back and I'm going back to sleep for a couple hours. I decided to start the vlog on a Wednesday because on Monday we didn't even have classes because it was snowing so bad outside. And then, I hope y'all can hear me. I don't want to be too loud because you know it is early. But yeah, and then yesterday I had to take my final exam, but I was just in the library, and yeah, I just didn't want to start the vlog yesterday. So this vlog is gonna be basically just Wednesday and Thursday because I'm leaving tomorrow. But I wanted to make sure, you know, I vlogged some. So yeah.
Alright, y'all, so I hope y'all can hear me. But I'm back now. I just got back from taking my final exam for pre-calculus. I'm just gonna say I think I did good. It wasn't hard at all. Now there were some questions that I had to guess on, but I probably guessed on about 3 or 4 of them. So yeah, and then we get 10 points back, like for extra credit. So I think I passed. So I just have one more exam, which is tomorrow, and that is in economics. I don't even have to say anything because y'all know the struggle with economics, but I'm going to study tonight. I was going to take me a nap. I might take one a little later, but I'm about to go ahead and start packing up everything because I don't have anything packed and I have no idea what I'm taking home. So that's what I'm about to do. Y'all, my stomach was barking. It would not shut up. Like, I was like, oh my gosh, I hope nobody can hear my stomach. Like, I'm really hungry right now, so I think I'm about to just warm up some oatmeal and eat that. My stomach was so loud, it was so freaking embarrassing. But yeah, so I'm about to go ahead and start packing up some stuff because I don't know what I'm taking home. So I'll talk to y'all later. Y'all, I feel like freaking crying. I feel like crying, bro. God is always working. God is always on my side, like honestly. So I just checked my economics grade because I'm about to finish my study guide and stuff because I didn't finish it because you know I had other classes to worry about. But yeah, so I had opened it up probably like an hour ago, and I'm just now looking at my grade. And tell me why my grade says 79.13. Y'all, he raised my grade up. So I know at the beginning of the school year I had missed the quiz because I had came like literally a minute late. So that was a 0. And I know the other day I had got a 90 on the quiz and he raised it up to 100. Y'all, I really feel like crying. I'm so freaking happy right now. Like, he raised all my grades up. He raised all my quizzes up to hundreds. Yes. Wow, that is so crazy. Okay. Wow. I had a 76 before. Now I have a 79.13. But y'all, God is always working. Because I was so freaking sad yesterday. I was on the phone with my grandma and I was like, I don't know how my grades will be looking. Like, I really try my hardest, and y'all can see that I work hard and try my hardest. But like I told y'all, when it comes to tests and stuff, that can be really hard for me. So you know, and tests can bring your grade down a lot. Even if you do all the homework, do good on the homework, it can still bring your grade down a lot. So I'm like, I don't know. I don't know how my economics grade gonna look. I know I'm gonna be good in theater class. I know I'm gonna be good in statistics, but like I don't know about the other subjects and stuff like that. But you know, I have a good feeling now. Y'all, he just made my day. He just made my day. Now I'm hyped about studying for this diagonal test. I'm lying, but I'm so happy right now. All right, so y'all, I just came back from the post office and getting some food, and guess what is here? My labels, and they're gold. They're so freaking pretty. There we go. Look at that. They're so wrong. So now, once I get home, I can start officially working on everything. I was waiting on these to get here. So yeah, now I officially have everything. The lady who made these for me, she was so sweet. So I will definitely be ordering from her again. And while I was out, I got some Papa John's, of course. And I've never had this before, so I'm about to try it and see if it's good. And I got some chicken. Come on, sis. Bruh, look. I can't even talk. Look at this. Where's the sauce? I understand she was working hard. She looked like she was tired. But damn. I like for my food to be right. And I wanted my stuff all covered up. But yeah, I got me some chicken poppers. Half covered chicken poppers. So I'm about to eat this and probably watch some videos, some vlogs for Vlogmas because I'm a little bit behind on them. So yeah. Bro, I'm sitting here thinking I'm recording and the whole time I was not recording. This is the second time. The second time I did it. Anyways, which ones? Okay, so y'all, I just realized I should probably like put outfits together. That would be better. So if I do go somewhere, you know, I already have an outfit instead of just packing clothes and don't know like what I'm gonna put them with. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do. Okay, so this is what I got. These go for both of these. Yeah. And then I have this chill outfit back here with some gray leggings, this long sleeve shirt, then my Converse, and this, and then this with my black leggings, and then this jacket with that. So this is just in case, you know, I leave out the house one day, or we just go out to eat or something. You know, I want to have some cute clothes because when I had went home for Thanksgiving break, y'all, I only brought my daggone Uggs, my black Uggs, and that was it. So yeah, I'm trying to make sure I have some sneakers and stuff since I'm about to be home for a month and some days, I guess. So, do y'all see anything different? My hair's out. My real hair. It's dirty. It needs to be washed. I'm not getting it washed till I get home.
So right about now, I have everything packed up. Don't y'all hate that? When your hair gets stuck to your lip gloss. Move! Did it come off? No. There we go. Yeah, so like I said, everything is packed up. I'm about to just straighten up everything and throw this stuff out and finish eating these chicken poppers because it's messing up my nose. It stink. It's making my room stink. I don't know why, but maybe it's the hot sauce that's on it. But yeah, so I'll probably end up waiting until tomorrow to wipe everything down before I leave, just to make sure everything is like, you know, just freshly clean. And hopefully my grandma buy me a broom. Oh, and if y'all have any questions, I don't know if well, I guess I'll wait until after this video goes up to record the video. So if y'all have any questions, anything that y'all want to know about my college experience so far, and just leave it down below, because I'm going to do like a comparison video of both semesters and which one was better and everything, and tell y'all about this semester and stuff like that. And if you haven't saw my first semester video, make sure you go check that one out too. So yeah, what am I about to do right now? Finish listening to my music. Just want to listen to y'all. I listen to any and everything. Old music, new music, rap, R&B, shaking booty music. But I love me some old school music. Like, bruh, I love old school music. And then next to that would be trap music. And guys be like, they be like, what kind of music you listen to? They be like, I would think you listen to LMA. I do listen to LMA, but I listen to Lil Durk. Who else I listen to? Lil Baby, Young Thug, stuff like that, more than I listen to LMA and them folks. But yeah, and I listen to City Girls. But yeah, let me go. I'm talking too much. So yeah, this is my hair. Hey y'all, so it is now Thursday. I'm about to head out and go to economics and take this exam real quick. Yeah, I'm looking real crusty. I cannot wait to get home so I can do my hair. So yeah, looking real crazy. Another sleep shirt on with some joggers and my Uggs. Alright, while I'm back from taking my final, as y'all can see in the mirror, I changed to some jeans because I was looking real tacky. And I'll wear my hair like this. I don't care. I know I look like a wild child, but guess what? I don't care, because that hat just, it made me look even crazier. So why not just wear it out and look like this? So yeah, I think my aunt and my grandma are close to me, so I should be leaving really, really soon. Yeah, they brought me some Windex and one of those smelly things that goes in the room so the room can smell good. And yeah, that's about it. So I'm officially done with being a freshman. I can finally move on to being a sophomore. Bigger and better things, definitely better grades, definitely. Yeah, I can't wait to see what next semester has in store for me. You know, I'm thinking really positive about it. I feel like next semester is going to be great. I feel like, you know, I might have a great roommate and great classes, so my GPA can go all the way up. But yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed the vlogs for this basically whole year, and get ready for our next semester vlogs. Take these, throw that in the trash, throw that out. I'm so glad I got the ranch out. And boom, I'm out of here.
So y'all, I forgot to basically like really end the vlog yesterday. Today is Friday. I'm obviously at home. Y'all, my tummy hurt. My tummy hurt. And I got a slight headache right now. But my break so far, it's only been one, well, my night went great. And today has been good too. So far, my break is going good. I'm hoping that it stays good the whole break. But yeah, I'm rambling now. So I just wanted to come on and end the vlog. I hope that y'all enjoyed my freshman year of vlogs. And yeah, right here I have the glosses and stuff. So once y'all see this video, the sale should still be going on. So all mini collection glosses are $1. I'm seriously trying to get rid of all of these. So shop with your girl. And the two glosses right here are $4. Oh, I can show y'all my new I don't feel like getting up. Well, y'all will see them. Yeah, y'all will see them sometime. Make sure y'all follow my business Instagram because that's where I be posting everything at. But my new tubes came in and I saw, well, they've been came in like last week. But since I just got home, I'm just now seeing them. And my tubes have mirrors on them. The new collection tubes. So, yeah. Make sure y'all follow my business Instagram so y'all can like keep up with everything. I'm so sleepy. Oh, and I read the comments yesterday and some of y'all were saying that the volume is like too low. So let me tell y'all about what happened to my headphones. It's been like this for a while. And I edit with my headphones. One of them is out. So I can only hear out of one headphone. So what sounds loud to me obviously doesn't sound loud to y'all. So I'm about to see if I can get my grandma to buy me some new headphones. Them Johns is $30 at T-Mobile. But if I put them on my plan, I would only be paying $1 more each month. So I don't know. I might just do that and end up paying it myself. But yeah, I definitely need some new headphones because I can't be having y'all straining your ears and, you know, trying to hear what I'm talking about. So yeah, I hope this vlog is good with the sound. If it's not, let me know. I mean, there's nothing I can really do about it after the video is up, but I don't know. I just wanted to talk about that. But yeah, I guess that's it. So January 22nd is when I'll be back on campus, and that's when the vlog will start. I think that's on what is a Tuesday? I don't know what day that is. I'm honestly not worried about that right now. Oh, and my grades are good. I ended the semester off good. So, again, if y'all have any questions about my college experience so far, about my freshman year, roommates, food, meal plan, whatever, my classes, tips on anything, just let me know down below so I can put it in the recap of my semester video. So, yeah, I'm gone now. I will see you guys in my next video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and check out my other videos. And I love y'all. Bye.